In today's video, we learn how to create a fashion promo ad using images found within Canva. Open Canva, go to mobile video, and choose a blank canvas. We'll change the color of our canvas by going to color and then choosing a gradient color. Now go to text and bring your text onto your canvas. You can now type autumn. Duplicate your text 2 times and then write sale and 50% respectively. Resize, adjust and reposition your text. Create a second frame and then go to elements, and in the elements section scroll down to grid and then tap on the grid and bring your grid onto a canvas. We're now going to look for our first image. Go to photos, and in photos, in the search bar, type fashion. You'll see a variety of fashion related images. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll choose one. Bring your image onto your canvas. Make sure that your image is locked onto your canvas. Create a second frame and go back to photos. Look for another image and bring it onto your canvas. Don't forget to resize and reposition your image so that it fits onto the canvas. You can even be more creative by bringing the same image onto the current image and create a mirror-like effect. Repeat the process up until you get to the 5th frame and you'll have something like this. For the next frame, we are going to do something different. Go to elements, then scroll down to frames, and when you get to frames, in the search bar, you can type Polaroid frame. Bring your frame onto your canvas and make a duplication of the Polaroid frame. Resize and position your Polaroid frames. And let's not forget to give canvas some color. We'll use the same gradient that we use in the first frame. We'll now go back to photos and choose 2 images, bring them onto our Polaroid frames. Choose any 2 images that you like and bring them onto your canvas. Don't forget to resize your images. Now what you're going to do is push your images into your Polaroid frames. With just a little push, they'll automatically lock into the frame. Create another frame and use the same gradient color that we used in the first frame. Go to text and make 3 text duplications. After duplicating your text, write bags, shoes, accessories. Create another canvas, go back to photos, and in photos type fashion boots. Choose an image and place it onto your canvas. Don't forget to resize and position your image. Repeat the process for these other frames, and this is what you're going to come up with. Create another frame and go to photos, and this time around type sunglasses. Look for an image of sunglasses and bring your image onto your canvas. Create one last frame and use the same gradient color and the text that we used in the first frame. We're now going to change the duration of our frames. Just tap on this box and then type 0.4 seconds and then change all the frames. As you can see, now all our frames have been turned to 0.4 seconds. But to spice up our promo ad, we are going to add a little bit of sound effect. Go to audio, and when you get to audio, tap on these 3 little dots, go to effect, and then in the search bar, type camera click. Now bring your effect onto your timeline. Make sure that you repeat the process to each and every frame until you get to the last frame. Please make sure that your sound effects are properly aligned with each and every clip. And this is how our ad looks like. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until the next video, peace.